I have children. I cannot imagine what it must be like to, to see your offspring mutilated with, bones sticking out, with blood pouring out of them, barely conscious. I mean, it's unthinkable.
Tako Tomo Potokar, upokojeni plastični kirurg slovenskega rodu, ki v Han Yunisu prostovoljno pomaga pri oskrbi poškodovancev v katastrofalnih razmerah v Gazi.
I have heard and seen enough stories of real heartbreak and suffering and pain here to last several lifetimes.
Zdravnik in humanitarec, ki že več desetletij deluje na vojnih območjih, stanje v bolnišnicah opisuje kot klavnico.
It's a slaughterhouse in that every day there are, 100+ people being killed. And that doesn't take into account the numbers that are being injured. And many of these, most of the people I've operated on in the last week have been women and children.
V Gazi je izgubil številne prijatelje in sodelavce.
My colleagues have all lost a significant amount of weight. Some of them are barely recognizable. So it's a very, very, difficult circumstances. And on top of that, of course, the constant threat, even within a health facility, that, there's going to be a bombardment, and a number of colleagues have died and been killed in this conflict since October. A number are still held in Israel, and no one knows what's happened to them.
Pred 10 dnevi je preživel raketni napad na evropsko bolnišnico v Han Yunisu, ki jo je izraelska vojska napadla brez opozorila za evakuacijo.
I was kind of thrown off the bed onto the floor, and for a fraction of a second you don't know if one's going to hit the building you're in because they were that close.
Poškodbe, ki so posledica tovrstnih napadov, so grozovite.
I was operating on a young man the other day who had a disarticulation of the hip on one side, so that means there was not even a hip joint, the whole leg was missing. But even that wound was all broken down and infected. On the other side, he had a below-knee amputation, but huge shrapnel wounds in the thigh that were all open, filthy, with maggots in them. He also had an amputation of the left hand.
Potokar opozarja, da bo vojna v Gazi temen madež svetovne zgodovine.
Just stop. I mean, war is never the answer to violence. It just breeds more and more violence. It is not the solution.